Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we are going to learn about how to use Bing AI Image Generator. Microsoft Bing Image Creator helps you to create unique images based on text prompt using DALL-E. It is also making new additional changes to it. Now just go to your Microsoft Bing account and tap on Bing AI Image Generator and choose the first website you see. Now at the right side you will see create option, and if you scroll down you will see many generated prompts here, which is generated by Microsoft community. Basically, Microsoft AI help users generate AI images with DALL-E. So if you're using Microsoft Bing, that means you are using DALL-E, which is a 12 billion parameter version of GPT-3 trained to generate images from text descriptions using a dataset of text image pairs. Now, just tap on create. You will see a search bar. Want to see how Image Creator works? Just tap on your idea from here. I'm just going to type my idea here, which is a text prompt. And then tap on enter to search. Just wait for some seconds until your image is created by your Bing AI. Now, as you can see, I have 4 examples of my text prompt here. And just tap on any image you like. Now, if you want to download this image, you will find this download option here. Just tap on download and the file will be downloaded. And if you open the file, you will see this is a very high quality image created by AI. You can also tap on the image and right click your mouse and save the image from here. You will find all your recent creations at the right side of this tab. If you want Bing AI image to generate you a completely creative image, you can tap on Surprise Me. And as you can see, there is a text prompt here given by the Microsoft Bing AI image generator. And just tap on enter. Now just wait for some few seconds. As you can see, I have 4 prompts here, which is creatively generated by Copilot. Now, if you want your Bing to go on dark mode, you can see these 3 lines here. Tap on this option and you will see appearance. If you want it to be dark, you can just tap on dark or system default. And you can see my surface is now on the dark tab. You will have 15 boots when you open your account with Copilot. If you run out of these boots, the image generation may take longer. You can also use Microsoft Bing Image Generator in your mobile phone. If you scan the QR code from here, you will be auto-directed to your Play Store and you can download the app from there. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.